Please listen to the questions in this lecture about the article that you're supposed to read for class today, Dangers Lurk Deep for All Ocean Creatures from Oil. You should discuss these in a group, and everybody should turn in a paper with the answers to these questions tomorrow in class for writing credit. So on the first page of the article, please answer these questions. To which other oil spill do scientists compare the Gulf oil spill? How do scientists predict that the effects of the two spills will be different? How many gallons of oil are floating around underwater? Page 2 of the article, which animals are the, quote, historical poster animals for oil spills, and what does that mean? Second, will the effects of the oil spill be visible? Why or why not? Third, what's the name of the chemical in oil that damages the ocean animals? And next, name 3 effects on animals of the oil spill in 1989. Page 3, summarize the process by which oil works its way up the food chain. You'll find a paragraph about this, and it's really specific, so you can just summarize this in general terms. Don't copy the paragraph, just tell me in your own words in a simple way what it means. And the last one is name some ways in which oil can physically affect sea animals, because it can affect their bodies. The questions to discuss with your group after you finish reading the article: what are the important and interesting points in this article? Make a list. What other kinds of pollution have you seen or experienced in your life? For example, radiation, BSE, the mad cow disease, air pollution, and so on. And think about how it's affected your life and what it looks like and where you saw it. Have you seen animals or places that were affected by pollution? What kind of animals were they? What were the places? And what kind of effects did you see? And last, do you agree with the points that this article makes based on your experiences? So the point of the last question is that you think about your own life and make some connections between what you've seen and what the article talks about. Even if you've never seen ocean pollution, you've probably seen other kinds of pollution. We're going to write an argument essay in response to this question, and we're going to follow the model number 1 or number 2 essay that we looked at in class, so that, for example, you can use quotations from the article and respond to them one by one, or you can use your own specific experiences or observations about the same points that the article makes, and instead, as in the model number 2 essay. And the question is, choose 2 or 3 points from this article and respond to them, just like the example we saw in class. That's all, and please be ready to discuss this in class tomorrow and hand in the answers to the questions, and no late papers will be accepted. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow.